If your cast to device is not working on Windows 11, then we know how to fix it. Watch this video till the end to learn how to solve the issue. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, the home of all tech solutions. Here we have shown what to do when cast to device is not working on Windows 11. So stick to the end and perform as shown to fix this issue. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Don't forget to comment your feedback on the solutions or if you are facing any issues while performing them. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Now, let's jump into the solutions. Method 1. The first thing you need to do is turn on Network Discovery. Type Control Panel in the Windows search box and hit Enter. Set View By to Category. Open Network and Internet. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Choose Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Turn on Network Discovery. Method 2. The next thing you need to do is allow cast to device through Windows Firewall. Search Windows Defender Firewall and click on it. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings option. Scroll down to find Cast to Device functionality and make sure both public and private options are checked. Save the changes. Method 3. If the earlier methods didn't work, try running the Windows Network Troubleshooter. Press Win plus I keys to open Windows settings. Click on System. Next, click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on the Run button beside Internet connections. Let Windows finish the process. If it detects any problem, Windows will suggest a fix. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. If no issue is found, scroll down and find Network Adapter. Click on the Run button next. Select the network adapter you are using and select Next. Method 4. Another thing you can do is troubleshoot the network drivers. First try updating them, and if that doesn't work, try reinstalling them. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters section and right-click on your network driver. Select Update Driver. Click on Search Automatically for Drivers option. See if the issue is solved. If not, then reinstall the drivers. Right-click on the network adapter. Click on Uninstall Device. Complete the uninstallation. Restart your PC and your PC will automatically reinstall the network drivers. So that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. If the issue isn't resolved from the solutions we have shown here, comment below to let us know and our team will try their best to help you out. Also, join our Facebook group for direct tech support. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.